Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of video games, movies, or even virtual worlds, you've likely experienced something extraordinary: vast landscapes, intricate worlds, and endless possibilities. But have you ever wondered how these immersive environments are created? Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: procedural content generation using AI. Let's explore how this technology is shaping the future of gaming and beyond. Here's a question for you. What if I told you that some of your favorite game worlds are not painstakingly crafted by artists, but instead generated by algorithms? That's right. Procedural content generation, or PCG for short, is revolutionizing how we create digital content. So, how does it work? And why is it important? Let's find out. Procedural content generation is a method where algorithms and AI are used to create data algorithmically as opposed to manually. This means that instead of developers designing every single tree, rock, or NPC in a game, they can create rules and parameters that allow the computer to generate this content on its own. Let's break this down with a couple of real-world examples. 1. Minecraft. One of the most popular games that use PCG is Minecraft. The game creates an entire world filled with biomes, structures, and creatures based on algorithms. When you start a new game, the world is generated in real time using a seed, a number that determines how the world will be shaped. This results in unique experiences for each player because no two worlds are exactly alike. 2. No Man's Sky. Another fantastic example is No Man's Sky, which features an entire universe composed of 18 quintillion planets. Each planet is generated using PCG techniques, allowing players to explore different landscapes, creatures, and ecosystems. The game uses algorithms to create terrain, weather patterns, and even the flora and fauna, making each player's experience unique. 3. Spelunky. This indie game takes a different approach to PCG. It generates levels every time you play, meaning you have to adapt your strategies continually. The procedural system here focuses on balancing the challenge and fun, making sure players have a fair chance while still providing that exhilarating sense of unpredictability. Now, you might be wondering, why is procedural content generation so special? Well, one of the biggest advantages is efficiency. Developing large game worlds can take hundreds of hours, but with PCG, developers can create rich environments in significantly less time. For instance, it's estimated that without PCG, designing expansive game worlds could take up to 50% more time. Moreover, it reduces costs. With a smaller team, developers can create vast and complex worlds, meaning that indie developers can compete with larger studios. This democratization of game development has led to an explosion of creativity in the industry. Procedural content generation isn't just limited to video games, either. Artists and musicians are also beginning to harness the power of AI for creative projects. For instance, AI can generate music tracks or artwork based on specific styles or parameters set by the user. This merges the worlds of art and technology, allowing for innovative expressions that were previously unimaginable. However, there are challenges to consider. While PCG can generate a lot of content quickly, it can sometimes lack the nuanced touch that a human creator provides. For instance, the emotional depth and storytelling often found in manually crafted content can be lost in algorithmically generated worlds. Developers are finding ways to combine both methods, using AI to generate a base while adding human creativity for that special touch. So, to recap, procedural content generation using AI is a groundbreaking approach that allows for the efficient creation of vast and unique game worlds and other digital content. By leveraging algorithms, developers can produce expansive environments quickly and cost-effectively, opening up new possibilities for creativity in the gaming industry and beyond. However, balancing AI-generated content with human artistry remains an essential factor in creating meaningful experiences. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the fascinating world of procedural content generation using AI. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. What are your thoughts on PCG? Have you experienced it in your favorite games? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and stay curious.